Okay, so this is probably my last update video because a week from now I'm going to study at the Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific. Yeah, maybe the last update like monthly na hindi ko nagawa because of this year. The half of this year is kinda like a goodbye quest for the last chapter, which is the high school, and now I'm entering another chapter, which is college life. And it's kinda tough for me because this is not just an ordinary school. I'm going to um, I'm going to be a student as a marine, like on the verge of the course Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation. I'm going to make videos as I can if I'm going to have free time. Maybe this is the last, I guess, and yeah, 4 years there and just focus on studies and my career. Siguro. Yeah, let's talk about. I'm going to wear this because this is from a special one. Yeah, it kind of looks nice on me though, still. But that special one is also doing her best for his career. Yeah. Anyways, let's talk about insecurities and anxiety. A realization where those two naging parang burden sa akin throughout this years of my entire high school career. Actually, kakatapos ko lang sa gym. Pasok man, ang init. Kakatapos ko lang sa gym and I'm currently taking a rest. Maybe that's why speaking of rest, that's why I'm over fatigued always in the school, because I'm thinking always like having anxiety, and at the same time the insecurities are on the verge of my mind, like they are nagsasabay-sabay sila, and then yun, napapagod na ako kakaisip, pagod na katawan ko, pagod pa isip ko. That's why it's been a downgrade for me. Yun lang. And siguro my solutions for that are meditation, exercising, and yun, so far yung ginagawa ko. And yeah, scrolling to YouTube. That's what I'm doing right now. Those are my preparations for this school, kahit hindi naman dapat yun. I do not tolerate abusing yourself for being addicted to any kind of things or habits. Commonly, social medias and our phones. Yeah, it's a matter also that sometimes we must be balance tayo sa mga ginagawa natin. For me kasi, mental health is not a talk throughout my years. It's like, isip lang yan, kami nga nung panahon namin, di ba? Kaya nga namin, pero now I realize why is this generation is so different from the old generations compared to older generations. I don't know if naririnig ba ako? Pero yeah, I guess naririnig naman. But so far, if this is just a documentation for throughout my teenage years, an update will be, you have graduated in high school, you're entering college, that's number one. You're gaining confidence compared on pandemic, and you don't have a girlfriend. But the last girl that I have liked She gifted me this. This is so cute. Like, to be fair, it's like a baseball cap. I really like cups. Like, pero yeah, time is not for us. Destiny is not for us. Time will tell. Yeah, that's it. Go with the flow. Self improvement is throughout the way. Just be in the present moment, I guess. It doesn't matter, additional lang. It doesn't matter what you do. Cause, wait. Let me think. If anybody says that negative about you, if anybody says negative about you, don't think that you are that negative one. Because it's sometimes just a thought. An Instagram reel, I watch an Instagram reel, it says that you are not your thoughts. Insecurities becomes your thoughts, and your thoughts are not you. Because you have the power to control your emotions. You can keep it or you can let it out by talking to someone. It's very also important to talk to someone because growing up, kinikim-kim ko lang, like, I'm hideous about my emotions. I'm very conservative about my feelings because I don't want to be judged or be shown as a vulnerable type of man before. Pero yun na yung naging outcome. Pero anyways, those are just part of my life. I'm thankful for them also. I just sometimes it's okay na malungkot, negative, let it out. Kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, let it out. For me kasi ang dali ko lang magsalita eh. Kasi sa aminin ko, my parents raised me well. I'm thankful for them na di ako nakaranas ng ganitong problema and some sort kind of very surreal, disastrous problem. I'm thankful for them. Pero may mangyayari talaga sa akin. Di ko lang, eto din, you must not be too much conscious about what's going to happen. What's going to happen wrong, what's going to happen good. Just be in the moment. Yan ang sasabi ko for myself from now. Kaya, for sure, the Nico that will saw this in the future, then will just magtatawa-tawa, ganun. But I don't know. I hope you are successful now. Rewinding these videos will be a memorable one. But so far, half of the year 2024 is going to end. So another half will be another chapter. July, August, September, October, November, December. Yeah, it's going to end. So on June 28, we're going to travel now. That's going to be my last stay in this place. Yeah, going to be emotional on that point. Pero it's life. Sucks. Life sometimes sucks. Like, sometimes you just need to abandon to get out of your comfort zone in order to grow. Kasi kung di ka maaarawan, di ka din tutubo. Parang tanim, di ba? Water. Pwede naman water. Depende sa tanim. Kasi cactus. Kahit nasa ano lang. Anyways, here are my days. Like siguro while I'm talking, here are some of my activities for today. Like, there are pictures here, there are videos here while I'm talking. There are videos going to pop up, and I'm just going to edit my first video, my first real like vlog and all. And yeah, I'm just not going to be perfect about this. I'll be in touch on what's going, kung ano yung may edit ko. But for now, it's 10 minutes. See you on another chapter. I'm thankful for my friends, classmates, teachers, the school, my family, and God for this. A lot of blessings will come back, and a lot of problems will come too. I just need to be ready to be a warrior. I have a bigger thing, sorry. Oh no. Soon, I'll get rid of my insecurities. But I love myself. Like, I just need to be confident. Ayoko din magyabang. Because all people have wounds. And they are just scars. Just be confident about it. Like, we all have flaws. Like, I don't need to be sad about it because it's draining my energy. Yeah, growing up also, I'm a fan of YouTube. Watching anything, and now it's like gym, self-improvement, Eric, Mr. Beast,